Hi guys!
With this one.
Right now,
This
we
one
are going to make a video about... Oh, do not pull up your clothes. Okay. Unboxing
This one is
real
so.
new cell phone of Nanay.
It's so silent.
I don't know. Can you read it, guys? Ay, bali. It's a Realme 6 Pro.
Got the toys.
So, let's check what's inside the package.
Wow. Toys are very fast.
Wait.
These toys are very fast. These toys are very fast. They're playing like that. Uh-oh, we play this one. The toys always
So,
play.
we'll open this. We buy this yesterday.
Are you ready? It's starting to open.
You count. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Ta-da.
I can't see it.
You sit down
I
para
can't.
makita ka sa video.
Oh, here's this.
It's a box. That's the cover. And this one is a free silicone case.
The wind gonna blow this one.
Yes. It's free, guys, sa packaging.
The toy's gonna right here.
So, what's next? What's next?
Wires.
Wires
Yeah.
for the...
Telephone.
It's a charger here. The charger.
We can load.
Just a plain color yellow with the size of the phone. And we'll open this one.
Is it the phone right here?
Yes, are you excited?
Yes.
Here.
Whoa. What is this on there? It has no pic. It has no camera.
Here's the camera.
Oh, it looks like upside down.
Here's like that. And so, hamon tong basahon?
There's the other
We'll
one.
read the... So guys, at the back, it has 4 camera. Can you see it clear, guys? It has 4 camera.
I found
And it's
something.
in the front.
I found something.
Yes. It has 2 cameras. Total of pila ka camera, Jess? 4 plus 2.
Equals
4 plus 2. You count the fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 cameras. 4 at the back and 2 at the front. So, more na yung sulod, guys, sa iyang packaging.
What's this?
Wala na. It's empty already. So, wala siya eh.
How about this one?
Headset nga appeal sa ila package. I don't know why.
This?
It's for like that.
Okay.
Like that.
Yes, it fits.
Yes, of course.
Wow.
Be careful. Hold it Careful. Like that. Careful. Tapos.
Battery right here. This one right here.
So we'll try to open. So ano pag-open ni Jess? Opening na. Wait. It says powered by Android. Realme. So ato pa ni siya discover ang iyang mga it's a nice picture. As of now, kuan guys siya. Kanang maoy trending. So we put Wi-Fi first.
Right here. Blackberry stack. And here.
It's here now. We'll try to see if the camera is so clear. Is this the camera? Yes. We'll try to picture Jessa. We'll try to picture your chair. This one at the back. And in the front, say cheese.
Cheese.
Look at Nanay.
Cheese.
Look at the camera.
Cheese. I like
So
this
very
one.
clear naman siya guys. So
This one.
bisan i-zoom in, gabi ka clear.
Put right here. You can put the things right here in this cover.
Ouch. Very clear siya guys. So, can you see it guys? It's very clear.
Look at that. I put all my things right here.
Mo ni ang camera at the back. So it's very clear. In front, this one. Okay siya guys. Yung, alam mo yung hindi masyadong super light na nagmumukha kang super maganda. Char. At makinis.
Picture.
Very natural.
Picture,
niya.
please.
So,
You picture my hand.
picture your hand. So, that's the end of our video. We'll discover pa the other features. Features.
What's next?
I-charge sa nato siya. So, you say thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Sit down, Derek, para makita imong face. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
You take care, everyone.
Take care, everyone.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Flying kiss.